fine. Today is 20th of October. Vlog number 54, I guess. But anyways, it is a Tuesday today. Currently 12:30 in the afternoon, and I'm heading towards college. I have a campus lecture today from 2 o'clock all the way till 5 o'clock, and then also a studio session. So it is going to be interesting. We're going to be learning about a completely new console today, audio console. And yeah, overall it's going to be really great. I got this sweatshirt from Max the other day. Really good. And also this Tommy Hilfiger pants the other day. Super comfortable and great for semi-winter still in Dubai. It's kind of hot, but at the same time it's not too hot, but it's not too cold as well. It's just perfect. So it's good. Alright guys, reached the Internet City metro station, but the thing is, I'm here very very early. I left home at 12:30 and generally I reach by 1:15, 1:30ish, so it's perfect. Now I don't know why the train is going like way more faster. It's like 1:10 only, but almost like 15 minutes early. So anyways, I'm just going to go to SAE, chill probably in the food court, because I'll have some work to do. There are Wi-Fi as well over there, so I can do that, and then that's pretty much it. Then by 1:45, 1:50 I can go to my class and attend it. So no worries, keep you guys posted, and yeah, thank you. Alright guys, so I'm in SAE and finally in the studio as well. The C24 we're recording today. Yeah guys, so as I was saying, just got busy. Yeah, I just got busy with the call, but that's pretty much it. So I'm playing the drum kit now, just for sound signal to come to the C24, and then we'll be switching, and then I can learn the C24 as well. C24 is a pretty crazy console. It's by Avid as well, which makes Pro Tools. So it is a really good console, and I've learned it before as well, but it's just always to like refresh. I think I learned it like this year, the beginning of this year, but last trimester I did not even touch the C24, and yeah, that was pretty much just an update. I'll catch you guys once I finish all my classes, because I think most probably I'll be done with 5 at 5. It is currently 2:15, so going to go so far so very very well. So super excited for today as well. Alright, so I've just kept the camera down, but I've not played drums in almost about 4 years I guess now, because I used to be part of the school band before, but it's been a long while since I played the drums. But anyways, it's good to be back, and now you also have multiple drum kits at SAE, so it's going to be great for recording for any of my tracks or albums or anything like that. So just going to start something off basic. It's just that the feet and hand coordination, I need to be like more familiar with it, because when I used to be part of the school band, there was no actual kick. So it's been a while since I played drums, I think. Like, so I generally use my studio monitors, not necessarily studio monitors, but like in your headphones, like in your monitors, for listening with a metronome. So I'm going to add that right now. So I've kept it for 130 BPM. It's like metronome. Like it's the same metronome, but it's just like off the grid. But yeah, it's like, I mean, it takes a time. So it's generally you just start with a kick drum and snare, but then you move on to the toms and then the hi-hats and then various other like side drum and everything else like that. But this is just like a 3-piece set now, 3-piece drum set. I'm not even using this one, neither am I using this one or that one. That's like a clash. But yeah, you get like this is currently a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9-piece drum set. If not 9, you can use like a 7-piece drum set as well, or even a 5-piece drum set. I've seen drummers using just a 5-piece drum set and like a tom, like using both the toms as well. So that is pretty much it. So yeah, that was pretty much it. But anyways, gonna continue with the recording. Got a AKG C414 setup right here, and that's pretty much gonna be about it.
Okay. Okay.
Play.
Signal going into the console.
Okay.
The white cable is signal going to the computer,
Okay. So
Okay.
Pro Tools
into Pro Tools. You could say into Pro Tools. The Q volume
Okay.
over here, and they should be able to. That's fine. Yeah, you should be able to hear me. Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Awesome. So, Nick, we are just trying to set things up here. Okay, so we just want to let you know, keep you updated. You can relax, sit back. We'll let you know when we're ready to record. Okay, that's it. That's all you can stop. But we won't get into that now. All right. So, any questions so far? It's pretty easy, right? Pretty straightforward.
Simple.
Very simple. So, always make sure that you turn down the gain before you press phantom power
You're recording?
off. Okay, before you turn off phantom power, you want to bring the gain knob down first. When you're turning up the gain, or when you're trying to switch the mic on, gain comes off first, then phantom power goes off.
So it's always the last thing, phantom power.
Exactly. It's the first when you're switching it on, and it's the last when you're switching it off. Make sense?
Yeah.
Otherwise, you can blow the mic up.
Yeah.
All right. So that's an important thing to remember. And I would highly recommend you guys to start booking the studio out now.
Yeah.
You know, take a condenser mic, plug it in, get some signal flow going. You know, it's good to practice and familiarize yourself with the console.
So as soon as you switch on Pro Tools, this starts up, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look, we can't hear you, Nick.
Talkback is on.
Yep. Tell us.
Yeah, there's no signal.
Ah, you're muted. Sorry. Say again.
Yeah, so I emailed the Supis already for our.
Alright guys, so done with class. It is currently 4:45 and going by my friend's car. He's most probably going to drop us. So yeah, we're going to go to Jadaf and from there I'll take a metro to ADCB. So that's pretty much it. It's a great session. I already know the C24 from before, but it was a nice recap. We'll be doing a mock podcast probably by next week. And it's going to be great. It's not too hot even though it's sunny. So I'm not sweating yet, so it's good. Alright guys, it is currently 8:40 and we went, after SAE we went to my friend's house because we had to continue the recording there. We were in SAE until like 5:36 and after that we went to my friend's house for completing the recording because other people also had to book the studio. But overall it was a very fun and super productive day. So I really enjoyed that. So now I'm just going to go freshen up because it's been a very long day and yeah. Very tired as well. Tomorrow also I have class. I also have to go and complete the recording. So it's going to be interesting and yeah, let's see. I'll catch you guys after some time. Alright guys, so it is currently 10:15 in the night and after I came back I had gone to one of my client's house because she had to plan something of a wedding. So the new COVID rules have been changed for organizing events. So now you can actually have people come. I think it is like every 43 square foot you can have like a person. Yeah, depends on the size of the hall and how many people you can have. So it's going to be really small scale in a resort. But anyways, that was it pretty much for this vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I will catch you guys on a brand new vlog next time. Whenever I see you guys. Tomorrow I might vlog. I might do a combined vlog of Wednesday and Thursday. I'm not sure. But anyways, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.